Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that could simplify your meal prep significantly, the BLACK+DECKER HC300B FreshPrep 3-cup electric food chopper. We found this product online and added the link in the description, so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the BLACK+DECKER HC300B? This compact food chopper is designed to make chopping, mincing, and dicing a breeze. With a 3-cup capacity, it's perfect for those smaller tasks in the kitchen, whether you're preparing ingredients for a full meal or just whipping up a quick snack. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle, and the plastic construction ensures it's durable yet easy to clean. Let's talk about some of the standout features of this chopper. First off, it has a powerful 70-watt motor, which provides enough strength to chop through vegetables, nuts, herbs, and more with ease. The stainless steel chopping blade is sharp and efficient, ensuring that you get a consistent chop every time. Plus, the clear bowl allows you to monitor your ingredients as they're processed, giving you that extra bit of control. Another fantastic feature of the BLACK+DECKER HC300B is its simple one-touch operation. With just a press of a button, you can start chopping, making it incredibly user-friendly. There's also a safety lock feature that ensures the chopper won't operate unless it's properly assembled, which is a nice touch for peace of mind, especially in busy kitchens. Now, who is this product suitable for? Well, if you're someone who enjoys cooking but finds chopping and prep work tedious, this food chopper could save you a lot of time and effort. It's also great for busy parents who need to prepare meals quickly without compromising on quality. Whether you're an experienced chef or a novice in the kitchen, this tool is versatile enough to fit various cooking styles. In terms of practical use cases, the BLACK+DECKER HC300B shines in many areas. For instance, if you're making salsa, you can easily chop tomatoes, onions, and cilantro in a matter of seconds. Or, if you're preparing a vegetable stir-fry, this chopper can quickly mince garlic and ginger to add a flavor punch to your dish. It's also perfect for making dressings or dips. Just add your ingredients, and let the chopper do the work. Additionally, if you enjoy baking, you can use this chopper to crush nuts for toppings or to blend ingredients for cookie dough. The possibilities are endless. And for those of you who love meal prepping, this chopper can help you get your vegetables ready for the week ahead, making healthy eating much more convenient. Cleaning the BLACK+DECKER HC300B is also straightforward. The bowl and blade are removable and dishwasher-safe, allowing for easy cleanup after your chopping tasks. This is a huge plus, especially when you're balancing a busy schedule. In summary, the BLACK+DECKER HC300B FreshPrep 3-cup electric food chopper is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. It offers powerful performance, user-friendly features, and versatility that can cater to a wide range of culinary needs. Whether you're preparing a quick family meal or experimenting with new recipes, this chopper can help streamline your cooking process. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the